Exercise 15. Here again we're going to use our levels, we're going to desaturate, we're going to use threshold, which is a new one, and place into, which we've done in the previous exercise. The first thing I want to do is copy up my image, close the eye. Now we want to adjust the levels. So what we'll do is we'll go to Control L to bring up our levels menu, and I want to make it more dramatic, so I'm going to move my blacks up, and you can see my background is now, see there, it's fading away into black. And I'm going to make my whites a little bit more highlighted, so I'm going to bring up my whites a bit, and I'm happy with that. Let me say OK. Now I still have a color image. I want to make it black and white, so I'll simply press Control U to bring up my Hue and Saturation menu, and here we will desaturate and take out all the color. And we say OK. Now I'm going to put my text in. So I will select my text tool, Arial, black, nice, bold, strong, red is the color, and I'm going to simply click and type. There I have it. Take my move tool, move it in. Let's get our text tool back. Make our capitals. I should have done that straight away, but yeah, old age. And we'll make the in a little bit smaller, so we'll bring it down to say 48. And now we will transform our text, and we will drag it across the whole page, move it up, and bring it down nice and big and bold. I'm happy. Press enter to finish the selection. Now I'm going to go to our other image, and this is of a couple of trees. We'll first copy that up, and now we can start. Now I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and we're going to come down to Threshold. And when we get to Threshold, you see what's happened. We've made it into basically a one-bit black and white image. And now we're going to move our slider, getting darker, nothing to use. Now we're going to go lighter. And look how nice and straggly those branches of the tree have become. So I'm going to say OK there. Now I'm going to get my magic wand, and I'm going to click on the harsh black. And it has selected, you can see by the marching ants, some of the image. Then we're going to go to our select menu, and we're going to ask it to select similar. Right, once we've got select similar, all the black is now chosen, and I am going to now copy that, Control C, and that places that on my clipboard. I come back to my first image, get my move tool, I'm going to hold down Control, this is important, hold Control and click in the little text box. When you do that, you can see what's happened. We've highlighted and selected only our text. Now we go back to the Edit menu, Paste Special, and Place Into. And when we do that, we will see our image has come into our text only, and we can click on it and we can drag it, and you see the whole image is there. And we will move this something like that. And you can see the effect we get in our text, but now it only covers that part of the text. So what we're going to do is just simply Control J, copy up that layer, click on it again, and now we're going to move the copy, and we can move the copy wherever we want. That looks good, and we will Control J again, and then we will click on it and move it over some more until we have the desired effect. And we can keep doing this and make it rougher, wilder, give it more of a statement, of an effect on it that looks good to the eye. And that is how we paste into text. It's just a regime to remember. Copy and place into. You can't just paste, and use the control button to click on the little square in the text area, and that'll select only the text. Try it, enjoy it. I'm sure you can have a lot of fun with this. Thank you.